Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your address on Temu. If you have moved to a new location or simply need to update your shipping information, you can easily change your address. Firstly, open the Temu, and over here what you need to do is you need to select U icon in the bottom, that is your profile icon. And from here you need to select this addresses in the top. And over here under this addresses, you can simply select add a new address here. And over here you can also select for the country or region, simply select that. And you can also search for it, and after that select switch. So over here you can also select for the address. You can type your address, street or house number here as well. And after that you can also type down your phone number and select save in the bottom, and that is it. That's how you can change your address on Temu. Keeping your shipping information up to date helps ensure your purchases arrive at the correct destination. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.